Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do this really bold look right here. This is a palette from Spoiled Cosmetics. If you don't already know, I do partner with them, so I do have a code for you if you would like to purchase it and get a discount. So I will have that on the screen and down below in the description for you. This is the palette, and these are the amazing colors. So let's go ahead and get started with this look.
What I'm feeling now, I hope lasts forever.
Okay, to start off this look, we are going to prime the face. We are going to use Dr. Brandt Blacklight Primer. That is the tube here.
'Cause I need you now more than ever.
Okay, so that is done very quick, very easy. My shirt is kind of bunching up. So anyways, we are moving on to foundation. We are using Yesena. Now I've had this a while, but you can see I've almost used it up because I very much so like this primer. It's very nice, really does well with my skin, and I have found that I really only need one pump of this on top of the primer, so there's that too. So let's go ahead and put the foundation on.
I need you now more than ever. 'Cause I need you now more than ever. Sparks are flying, so I keep trying to get inside your mind and make you understand our love will withstand.
Okay, foundation is done. We are moving on to eyebrows. I am using Refi. This came in a beauty box. I actually really like this. I didn't think I would. You got one end the brush, and then the other twist off here, and this is your pomade, and it does a wonderful job.
You're my light in the dark, even though you are tired. What I'm feeling now, I hope lasts forever. 'Cause I need you now more than ever. 'Cause I need you now more than ever. I need you, I need you, I need you now more than ever.
Okay, so now we're moving on to eye primer. Now, if you're not familiar with what an eye primer is, this stuff will help your eyeshadow stay in place and not move throughout the day. So if you're outside and you're blinking and you're doing just anything in general, this just holds it in place so you don't get all the creases and stuff like that. And this is my absolute favorite one because it just works best on me for whatever reason, I don't know. So I keep going back to it.
Even though you are tired. What I'm feeling now, I hope lasts forever.
So at this point, I usually like to put a light dusting of setting powder. I don't really do a lot of setting powder or baking at all because I don't like the way it defines the wrinkles as you age. So I don't really do it for that. I just do it because I like the nice dusty airbrush look. So that's what I'm using. So I'm using this here. This is Kimchi. And I usually just dump it into this and use a brush. I don't really use the puff because it really presses it into the skin, and that's not what I'm going for. But I do like the powder, so that's what we're doing.
But you when I need you now, it's October. So don't leave me now for something bad.
Okay, as you can see, I did not use much at all. And we are moving on to the palette for today, and that is I Dream of Spoiled. Now, I know a lot of people are afraid to use color on their eyes. They stick with the browns and the neutral colors, which is fine, but you can just fill out glitter. Okay, so I just made a mess. This glitter here and this glitter here is pressed into it. They're very pretty. I really do much like them, and they're great. But with pressed glitter, you could actually lose it if you are not careful, and it could all fall out of the palette. That is not the fault of anyone who makes it. That's just what happens when you do pressed glitter. We are going to start out with a neutral color, but we are going to go into a more vibrant color. As we continue, we're going to stick with maybe 2 or 3 colors, and after that, and we'll go from there. Okay, so I'm going to use this purple color right here, and I'm just going to go over the lid itself.
I need you now more than ever. I need you, I need you, I need you now more than ever.
Okay, so you can see it's very light, it's very purple, but it's not overbearing. So we're going to go on to this color right here and kind of go into the crease area.
We're on fire. The sparks in your eyes are what I desire. You're my light in the dark, even though you are tired.
If you like a matte look, you can stop here and have it like that. It's not very bold, it's not overbearing, it's not crazy. So we are going into some shimmer because I like my shimmer. So if you look right here, I think I am going to go with this shimmer right here, kind of on the inside of the lid, and then a little bit of this dark one on the outside, and that's all of the shadow I'm putting on.
Doing my best to keep you right next to me. You asked if I left, then who'd keep you company? I used to be scared that you'd leave when it gets.
So we're gonna go back into those 2 shimmers, the 2 purple ones, and go under the lid now.
Leave me now for something better. Don't leave me now for something better. 'Cause I need you now more than ever. 'Cause I need you now more than ever. Sparks are flying.
Okay, we got the shimmer done. Now I am going to add a little bit of the glitter because we have it, and I am going to use the one that I accidentally dropped on the floor, which is this one right here. And I'm just going to use a little bit on the outer edge. I'm not going to do the whole eyelid like I did before in another look, because sometimes I don't want a lot of glitter. I just want a little bit, and that is the case today. So we're just going to dab some on and go with it.
You're my light in the dark, even though you are tired. What I'm feeling now, I hope lasts forever.
Okay, so that is all the glitter we are going with. Now we are moving into eyeliner. So for bottom eyeliner, I am using MAC. This is, I don't see the color on here, but it's a purple color. We're going to use that to just do the bottom eyeliner. I like to keep my bottom eyeliner in a different color than the top, usually a lighter color, because it helps keep the eyes open and helps keep you looking slightly younger. So we're going to go ahead and go with that.
I know, you know, we know we're on fire. The sparks in your eyes are what I desire.
So I usually go with a liquid liner when I've got glitter on, just because it goes better. I don't feel like using liquid liner. This is a ColourPop liner. I really don't remember what color it is, but it's kind of a purple color, kind of a wine color, and I am going to use that on the top liner.
'Cause I need you now more than ever. I need you now more than ever. I'm doing my best to keep you right next to me. You asked if I left, then who'd keep you company? I used to be scared that you'd leave when it gets cold.
Okay, so we've got the eyeliner done. As you can see, it's not super bold and harsh, which I kind of want like a softer, fun, glittery look. So that's what we're going with. For mascara, I've got a bunch out here, and I think we're gonna go with Iconic London. That is what we're gonna put on, and we'll go ahead and do that.
Sparks are flying, so I keep trying to get inside your mind and make you understand. Our love will withstand, 'cause you're my best friend. I have this feeling it will never end. I know you know we know we're on fire.
Okay, so there's the mascara. I don't really do contouring. If you're going to an event at night or something like that, it's great, but for daily use, it doesn't translate the same in real life. So I just stick to blush and highlight. So I am going to go pick out a blush, and I'll be right back. So for blush, we are using Kimchi. So we will go ahead and do that. This is what the colors look like.
'Cause I need you now more than ever. 'Cause I need you now more than ever.
So for highlight, I think I'm just going to stick with my Fenty highlight right here, which is, what is it called? A Diamond Bomb. Yeah, it's just Diamond Bomb. We're going to do that. That's what it looks like. It's very shiny. It's just what I want to use today, so that's what we're going with.
I know you know we know we're on fire. The sparks in your eyes are what I desire.
Okay, so for lip color, I am going with this. I think, yeah, this is Purple Pants. This is a liquid lip, and we are going to put a dab of gloss in Baddie in the center.
'Cause I need you now more than ever. 'Cause I need you now more than ever. I'm doing my best to keep you right next to me. You asked if I left, then who'd keep you company? I used to be scared that you'd leave when it gets colder, but you're there when I need you. Now it's October.
Okay, there's that. That's really bold. I don't typically wear lip color this bold, but for this look, it's gonna stay. We are going to use some setting spray. This is Toy.co, or Toy Factory Super Set. Let's go ahead and spray.
I need you now more than ever.
Okay, so there is the finished look. What do you guys think? Do you like it? You gonna try it out? Maybe not the purple color lips. Maybe you will. Maybe you like that. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts down below. Again, I do have a code if you would like to try out some of their products. Anyways, let me know your thoughts down below. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. If you like more I did that backwards. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.
You're my light in the dark, even though you are